welcome back to the Turner Sisters channel. I am Ty.
And I'm Pooh.
And today we're just going to do a couple of questions, some deep questions apparently,
Yes.
and eat Chipotle.
Yes.
I have been wanting this for so long. So long. And I'm hungry.
Yeah. I got the veggie bowl, y'all.
I got the regular old chicken. With, what all you get?
I got the cilantro lime rice. I got the sauteed onions and green peppers.
Mm-hmm.
The chopped up tomatoes. I forgot what she said. I forgot what she told me.
Is it salsa?
No, it started with a P. I forgot. Sorry,
Oh.
forgive me. Black beans, guacamole, and sour cream, and some of that hot red sauce they got.
Mine is lettuce, queso, chicken, tomatoes, cheese, brown rice, and black beans.
Yes. So we're gonna pray.
Y'all.
We're gonna eat a little bit. Then we're gonna get into these questions.
Okay.
With our heads. Lord, we thank you for this food we're about to receive to nourish our body. Please bless the hands that prepared it, purchase and partake of it. Amen.
Man.
All right.
Oh,
yeah.
and I also got some pomegranate cherry
That sounds very
Nantucking nectars.
That
I
sounds
can't
really
talk
good.
today. It is. I drank some before we
Oh,
started.
really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I always get these
Ooh,
drinks when
good.
I go to Chipotle.
good. That look good.
Mm-hmm.
I got water, y'all. Most of y'all know
It's a
I've
natural drink.
been sick, but I'm getting well. So,
Mm-hmm.
all right, we finna dig it on in, mix this on up.
Oh, look. Well, y'all can't see that. Hold on. Let me mix it up first because I don't want to waste it.
Oh, I got some red peppers too. All right, green and red peppers.
Oh, I got guacamole on here too, y'all. I forgot. That's the main thing. I love guacamole on my. I'm a Mexican food.
but it look good to me because I like veggies.
I love veggie too, but not today.
Well, when I get sick, meat ain't really. I really don't want meat when I'm sick or sugar.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's weird or not.
Ooh.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's dig in.
I'm hungry. I
Fight
haven't
number
ate
one.
since like 12.
Wow. Yeah, that's.
That's what? Oh, and I got grilled onions too. I'm just forgetting a whole bunch of stuff.
It's some hot sauce I put in there. It's a little spicy.
See?
But
this
spicy
hot
good.
stuff.
Spicy good for you when you're sick though.
We got. In case you gotta blow her nose. Mine's got a little kick to it too.
Ooh. All right.
I think it's some tomatoes.
All right. All right. Yeah, okay.
You can't enjoy it, huh?
Yeah, I can enjoy the flavor of it. I think that fork was just full of it. This is amazing.
It's Chipotle.
We went to the Chipotle in
Mesquite, Texas.
Mesquite, Texas. That's by the mall.
Town East.
Imperium Street?
Circle.
Okay.
Some of y'all from the D probably have been there.
Damn.
I ain't never put queso on it before.
You're making me sweat. Okay, we're gonna a few more bites. Let me get into the question. I should have put lettuce in mine.
And just do something to it.
Make it refreshing. Okay, these are deep questions. It's just Make you think about life and where you are and what you want to do from here moving forward. I need some water. It's not as hot. I ain't gonna lie, since we've been doing them spicy challenges, I've been eating hot stuff. I ate some hot and spicy pork skins. They wasn't hot, and they doggone wasn't spicy. All right, here we go. The first question, you'll answer, and then I'll answer. Or whichever, vice versa, it don't matter. First question, what's the one thing you cannot live without? The one thing.
And it don't matter the answer.
It's up to you.
My mind. Everybody don't have sense. And I'm glad I do. Or developed it somehow.
Right.
Because I'm not trying to be out here in these streets.
Gone.
Out of my mind. Like, because if you ain't got one, you ain't gonna be here. You gonna be gone. 6 feet deep. Any and everybody will use you. Do what they want. You'll be just trash.
Manipulate you.
Yeah. Cared about, thought of. And there's people with a mind that still get treated like that. But yeah, that's what I couldn't live without that. The same mind. Sound mind.
Yeah, sound mind. I agree. I like to, have my mind. Because, I believe that go, everything else gonna go. If your mind go, everything else gonna go.
You have nothing. In my opinion.
I can't say family. Because some people family. Because some people wouldn't say without family. But I would say family because you need that love. You need that support. When you're down, you somebody to talk to. So I would say family. Mine, family. Now, next question. What makes you most angry about your country?
We already know.
Most.
Racism.
Yeah.
And it don't look like it's going nowhere, y'all.
It's more in the open than anything since Trump done been in office.
I can't say when. We'll just have to, like we've been doing, like our ancestors been doing, or was doing, pushing forward, adapting, and not paying it no attention. As long as they ain't putting their hands on you. Because this is definitely not the 1800s.
Right.
So, we ain't gonna put up that. But definitely that.
Most things anger me about our country when we chose Trump for president. Because from that point, it showed people that you don't have to have those qualifications to be a president.
He was given that position. Because he doesn't not qualified.
He didn't even know he was gonna win. He's out. He just said he was gonna run. He didn't think he was gonna win. That tell you something right there. And just to say, the people, him coming in office, the minorities look down amongst my other minorities, and I just want to say, he don't want none of us here. So why are you looking down on the other minority? He don't want you here either. But anyway, because I don't want to get into that. Do you believe in true love?
For me, I don't. My generation is very, very horrible in that department. And the generation after, because it's like we can see it in a small percentage are committed and married. And it just seems like we just left with the bottom feeders. The want to have sexual relations. They don't want to say nothing to you.
They don't want a commitment. They don't want to hold a conversation.
They want to have...
They don't even know how to hold a conversation.
Some of them don't. They want to have their whores. And when they done with that, they want to come across the street to you. I don't want to be second to no whore.
Hello.
And that's all I'm going to say. I ain't going to get into it.
True love. I'm gonna be honest. Nowadays, what is true love? Because you see a lot of divorces. I mean, people don't, like back then, when you hear somebody say they're getting pregnant, you're like, oh, that's beautiful. And when you hear somebody get married, oh, that's sweet. Now it's like, you pregnant? Oh, congratulations.
Again? What number is this?
Oh, so when you hear somebody get divorced, oh, we'll see how long that lasts. It's sad. It's sad. So nowadays, can you really say true love exists? Not gonna go into that. Next question. Do you believe in heaven and hell?
I can't put nobody in a heaven or hell myself, but I believe in heaven. I believe in a higher power. I believe there is a God. I don't too much care for the hell part. Because, you know, I've been asked before why we tell people they're going to heaven when we're burying them 6 feet deep closer to hell. I was like, that's a good question, sis. That's a good question. I can't answer that. Sorry.
I'm gonna touch a little bit on it.
Y'all know, please put in the comments.
Yes. I want to say do I believe in heaven and hell? I believe you can have heaven on earth and you can also have hell on earth. I believe us being in this country and how things are being ran, we're already in it. I believe heaven is a place that you make your own, where peace is, love is, serenity is. Like, I feel like, I ain't gonna lie, and it's just being straight up, this being 100. I feel like after praying and meditation, I feel like I'm floating in heaven. Because I feel like nothing can get to me. I feel like nothing can like upset me. Like I'm living I'm in a place that no one can take me from. That's why it's very important to pray and meditate, to protect yourself, your soul, and sanity. Your spirit. Yes.
And people, when you meditate, can't nobody make you mad, and when people can't make you mad, they get mad.
That's crazy.
Or they think it's weird.
That's crazy.
So they just keep picking at you.
Yep. Just to upset you.
But just because I'm not mad does not mean I won't slap you. So,
right.
And people don't understand that.
I don't understand why people want to push people to that point. Why would you want to push someone to
then when they blow some up, shoot some up, no, you're crazy.
Say it. Okay, next. That's deep. Yeah, what inspires you the most? My bad, y'all. What inspires you the most?
Me wanting to be financially stable and not needing to depend on anybody for anything. Because that's the last thing I want to do. I don't, like right now I don't have a vehicle because I was rear-ended
Yeah.
So I have to wait and get another one.
And you can't, you see some situation, and this is what gets me. I think some people need to understand life situations and controllable situations. Like, had that woman paid attention, none of that wouldn't have happened. When no wreck happened, police wouldn't have been involved, none of that. Had she paid attention. That's a controlled situation. When your tire go flat because you ran over a nail. That's a life situation because that's something you can't control. Nails are out in the road, period. You know, construction, whatever. I think people need to learn that because people are too quick to say, oh, that's life, you'll be all right. No. I have not been in a wreck. I have not been in a wreck. So to say that that is a life situation, no, that is a controlled situation that can be controlled. It's just people's ignorance gets in the way. That's what it is. I forgot doggone. Oh, it inspires me. What inspires me? People that I see coming up.
Especially on this YouTube.
Yes.
Blended, Virgo.
C-Circle. Man. Congratulations to y'all.
Oh.
Much love, man.
Cuzzo.
Yes. Teresa +5. Yeah. Congratulations to y'all. Y'all amazing. But to see other people come up and for them to share the story of where they started and where they came from.
And still humble.
Yes.
Goodness.
Humble.
You can't
That's
say that
the
enough.
key word. Humble.
A lot of these.
And know that it is God that is using you as a vessel. Okay? Because I think people forget that. They think they do it all on their own, and they forget that it was God
Somebody else helping you.
putting you in that situation. But next,
make it a good one.
Let's see. What's the thing you most want to achieve before you die?
It's so many. I say I want to travel. I have to travel. Out of state. Not in here.
Country.
I'm talking about Africa, you know, Dubai, you know, stuff like that. Foreign places.
Mm-hmm.
That's a must.
Yeah. I would say travel for me as well. That's something that I am going to do.
Mm-hmm.
And not just want to do, but I am going to do. Outside the country, of course. I would love to go to Africa. I would love to go to Kemet. And, you know, them people call it Egypt. But Kemet. I would love to see the pyramids in Mexico. I would love to go to Brazil.
Yes, Brazil. Wow.
I would love to go there. I would love to go to Dubai as well. I would like to go and see the beautiful skiing in all other different countries.
Yeah.
That's all. That's
it,
you know, because it's more of us. We're
everywhere.
Cuba. That's what I'm saying. Yes, I would love to go to Cuba. Yes.
That's over there.
Yes.
Beautiful place.
I didn't know where else.
It's a lot of places.
Yes, a lot. It's a lot.
But just know.
Israel.
Yeah.
I love to go to Israel.
Ethiopia.
To go.
Nigeria.
The true Israelites. Let's just put that like that.
There.
The real Jews. Next. Oh, okay. That's it, y'all.
Thank y'all for coming. If you are new here, please hit the like. Yeah, the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell on the right so you get notified when we post more videos. To those that have been here, what's up, fam? Would y'all like to be called fam or tribe?
Oh,
pick that.
That's good.
Pick
I
it.
like tribe.
Pick it.
That's better.
Like, comment, subscribe. We love y'all. With that being said, we'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.